how to turn on or turn off data limit and avoid overspeeding on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on, you will see first option is Connections. After click on Connection, scroll down and click on Data Usage. After click on Data Usage, click on Billing Cycle and Data Warning. After click on Billing Cycle and Data Warning, you will see if you want to turn on or turn off data limit. So you will see data limit is here. If you want to turn on data limit, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see data limit is turn on. If you want to turn off data limit, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see data limit is turn off. You will turn on or turn off data limit from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off data limit and avoid overspeeding on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.